In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Mission 2011 MCQs, that is number of non-isomorphism. Group of order 8 is solution, that is there are exactly 5 non-isomorphism group of order 8. 3 of them are abelian, that is Z8, Z2 multiply Z4 because 2 4 times is 8. Third, that is Z2 multiply Z2 multiply Z2, so 2 2 times is 4, 4 2 times is 8, and 2 of them are non-abelian, so option D is correct. 5, that is which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.